Hello guys, that's the Bitch again with you in another new video, okay? So, this is not a financial advice, I'm not going to give you any financial advice, okay? This is like educational purpose video and nothing serious, okay? Like this is a crypto market, it can fluctuate anytime and you can make losses, you can make a lot of profits. So, yeah, that's crypto, okay? So, we can't do anything and this is not a financial advice. So, good morning from Dubai. So maybe like I said two times, maybe it's forget it, okay? So as you guys can see, the chart is like getting stabilized again, okay? So as you can see here, okay, and also in here as well, like everything is very good. That's something like I like, okay? And in this video I was just like so I was just like I was so traumatized like when people were keep selling, so I made like a simple short and I get no views, but I was right, okay? So, like I said, what is the prediction right now? So the prediction is quite simple. Like I said in my short, that I'm in this field since 2013, not like from 2022. I'm not a kid because I'm like a kind of guru in this field. So if you just go to Airwise, okay, so I have let's say 12 months, okay, 12 months period, okay. So as you can see, from the beginning, the Bitcoin has just like from here it's here right now. So that's a lot of difference, okay. Suddenly it can't collapse like this. So it can't collapse like this, okay. Sometimes it can't collapse like this because every time it's gonna be just somewhere like this and then just like this, okay, and then like this and then like hold on, and then like this, okay. So it's no matter what, like most of people are saying it's gonna cross 200,000 or maybe in reality it's gonna cross even 1 million, okay. That's something that truth, okay, like a better truth, because it's gonna do it, because as you can see the chart is the year wise, okay. Air wisely, if you see the chart, it's like this. That's something like further in front of you guys, like as you can see here, okay. But I'm gonna discuss about I'm gonna just do it as a 1 month period, okay. So the 1 month period is just here, okay. As you can see here, all the time, the panic times. So I'm gonna delete this, okay. So now you will understand better, okay. So as you can see, oh shit, because I did not create an account, so that's why, sorry, okay. It's just as you can see here, like a fluctuation in here, okay, in here, and then in here, as you can see here, and then in here, okay. So if you see this dump, okay, that's kind of very low, okay. That's kind of very low dump. So like it's nothing, like if you compare these two, like this one and this one, so as compared to this one, so that's a quite low one. That's nothing. It's nothing, okay. And basically it's like what is the actual projection, it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. So I'm gonna say back then in 2017, when it was 16,000 to 17,000, or maybe just it has touched down 18,000, I guess so, 18,000 to 19,000 as well. So how you will expect that, yeah, it's gonna go drop like very extremely. So it's something like we are seeing in the couple of weeks, like the same scenario, okay. So if we go to the like last week, okay, so last week from 121,000 to like 102,000, okay, it was very extreme. And then the market recovered a bit, went to 115,000 again. And then after that, what we are seeing, like again in the again like yesterday, was the same shit happen. From 110,000, suddenly it has collapsed to 105 and 104 again. So this is just like a very concerning point in here. Concerning point. This is what I have seen in 2017 as well. This is what I have seen in 2022 as well. From 2021 to 2022. Maybe that was just the ATH, Bitcoin, 124. This is something I'm feeling, okay. because but this scenario is kind of 50-50. Why it's 50-50? So I'm gonna explain a bit. So it's just like if in 2017 it was like when the market was collapsed, okay, so it wasn't like this that it went down to like 8,000 very quickly, like on the same day. Okay, on the same day it wasn't like this. It was reducing from like 19 18, I forgot the price, like last 88 in 2017, but it was like this. It was just, the market went to 15,000 and people were panic, and they were selling. Then the market was a little bit stable, and then the next several weeks or next week, like the same scenario happened again. It went down to 12,000, and then this stage was keep repeating and repeating, and it came down to 2,000 again, $2,000. Okay, so that was happening in 2017. Back then in 2017, that's happened. So then what happened in 2022? The same thing. The ATH was around like 70 or maybe 60,000, something around, because I forgot. Okay, so like I will be very honest with you. I'm not like going to say that I'm a motherfucker, remember everything. Okay, but this something I'm um sharing my experience. Okay, sharing my experience. So that that's what I have experienced so far. So the market came to just like around like 60 to 50,000, and then another dump we saw like 48 to 42,000, and then we saw the market came to even 22,000. That was the last dump. That was the last dip. Okay, so it was keep collapsing. So if in this scenario we're gonna expect another dump, which might be like 102,000, 102,000, and that's gonna be just like, it is what it is. Okay, that's gonna be the next dump. Like you can't change it. Okay, you can't, because the next dump is coming very soon. It's just like maybe next week we're gonna see that, or maybe this weekend, maybe in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow or today, because this is, I'm recording the video right now, it's 7:50 a.m., 19th of October, Dubai time. So we're gonna see today, maybe we're gonna see in the next week. So again, this shit, so sorry, that's like keep interrupting me right now. So what we're gonna do is just to like this weekend, if we take our short positions, so likely we're gonna make some profit. And if in the if that happen, and then if the chart starting recovering, like we're gonna see if it's crossing again like 124 or 115, and like I'm gonna even say, I will be very honest with you guys, that if it's even touch down like 110,000 after that dip, after that dump, then we're gonna see this chart is likely going up like 142, 150, like 52, something like this. Like it's gonna cross like 150,000. That's simple scenario. But if we see, instead of like a pump, if we saw a dump, then it's a critical 100%. I'm 100% sure that it's gonna collapse. It's gonna collapse the market. Maybe we are seeing like very soon 70,000. So the next dump is likely to be happen, but maybe the market goes up if it's just like if it's still going up. But after that dump, if we saw another dump, then likely the market is going to collapse and it's going to come down to 70k to 80k. That's it, 82 or 74, something around. But let's go with even figures. So let's say 70,000. That's going to be like a dip. So, and we are not going to see that dip like in just in few days. We're going to see that like for, like maybe we're going to see that like in 6 months, maybe we're gonna see that in 7 months. That's gonna happen. But Bitcoin is always promising us that it's gonna go up. Okay, after that 70,000, the market is gonna start recovering again, and likely in the next 2 years, we're gonna see like a very high ATH. But for now, the market is very 50-50. Either we're gonna see another dump and then pump, or if we see a double dumps, it's mean the market is gonna collapse to 70,000 within a period of 6 months, 4 months. Okay, that's all. Like my opinion about the Bitcoin price right now. But what we're gonna do is just like I'm also a developer, so I'm keep developing like projects for my customers, and I'm making DeFi projects, NFTs projects, and like any kind of project like you want to build, so you can contact me. I'm gonna build for you. And also I have like a forming bundle in here. Okay, it's a completely UI, and it has the wallet like which is very advanced. Okay, like you can generate like how much supply do you want to cover. It's going to tell you everything, and it has very advanced funding, so which is bypassing the bubble maps, and that's very sick. And it has the calculator, like I said, so you can just use it. Like let's say I want to capture like 40% supply on 4 memes, so and with 20 wallets, like you can randomize it, like you can make it 25, and like it's gonna show you, and then you can just like generate wallets with these, and now it's generated. Okay, so you will need like 2.8 BNB to secure like 40%. And it has a monitoring like a sniper stuff like that, and like you can just like literally snap any kind of token which is like a hype launch. And as you guys know that yeah, there is some hype launches are coming, so you can set the filter and start monitoring as well, so like you can front run them as well. And it has like a delay bundle as well. Like for example, if you put like a token address, and you just leave it, like you just launch the token but leave it, like once the snipers are out, then you're gonna bundle, so it has that as well. And it has like a token manager, like it's allowing you that to put the token address, and just like from whatever accounts you are holding, so like you can sell like 50%, 30%, like whatever. Okay, and it has like a token launch as well, like a direct launch, so like you're gonna put like your token name, stuffs like that in descriptions, and just choose the image, automatically buys, and launch is gonna buy for you just like within 0 block. And it has like very easy configurations as well, like RPC URLs, WebSockets, private keys, stuff like license keys. That's something I'm gonna provide to you, and save configuration and just enjoy. So this is really like advanced one. If you need it, just let me know, and please subscribe my channel, because we're gonna see like a very long period of time right now, because the price are collapsing, and most of the people are just like avoiding to invest in crypto and type of crypto projects. So I'm gonna start working on my predictions, okay, and my experience, because this is something like my experience with the Bitcoin so far, till like since 2013. So I'm gonna share with you guys. Maybe it's gonna educate like the new users, and it's gonna help a lot of people. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.